Ngenyanga yedlule umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen waphakamisa ukuthi udaba lwenkinga kagesi kuzofanele lihlonzwe njengesimo senhlekelele ebhekene nezwe. Isimemezelo sikaMengameli wezwe sangesonto ledlule bekufanele sifane njengokuphenduleka kumthandazo wakhe.
The declaration of the state of disaster, which will begin with immediate effect.
I-DA isiyalela abameli bayo ukuthi babhalele umengameli wamajaji wenkantolo yokwedlulisa kweinqumo zamacala ukuze bathole usuku oluphuthumayo lokulalela kwesicelo sokuphikisana nesigatshana usection 27 somthetho wezenhlekelele.
A national state of disaster is not narrowly tailored to dealing with specific blockages at Eskom, but instead it gives the COGTA minister and other ministers wide-ranging powers to make laws without parliamentary supervision. And so the DA's challenge to the constitutionality of Section 27 of the Disaster Management Act, the section that deals with a national state of disaster, is well known.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe libuka isenzo se-DA njengabakhomba indlela baphinde bejike.
We must also emphasize that this is not the time for finger pointing or politically motivated court actions or lawfare. This is the time to look past our ideological and political differences, and it's the time to work together in the interest of our nation, in the interest of growing the economy and sustaining livelihoods.
Inyunyana iSolidarity nayo yesabisa ngokuya enkantolo ukuyophosela inselelo ukuhlonzwa kodaba likagesi njengesimo senhlekelele ebhekene nezwe.